unbelievable prices, and the highest quality. Check out what Ryan has to say.
So live good means a lot of different things to different people, but here's how I'm going to just kind of try to summarize it. When we decide to make a product, in our manufacturing process, we only work with the most qualified suppliers and the top manufacturers that have at least CGMP certification. That is continuous good manufacturing practices. It's similar to the big pharmaceutical grade supplement manufacturing. So that's first and foremost. We always test for identity, which means what we say is in it is actually in it. We test for potency, so the strength that we say it is, and it has stability. And then of course, purity. Purity is a big one. So you're looking for tests like mold, right? Microbial tests, so mold, yeast, any contaminants. Now that's really important. We do that on the bulk ingredient before we even go into manufacturing, and then of course we do it on finished product as well. So a couple of examples might be, say, something like our Live Good Organic Super Reds. Now here's an example where we were choosing an organic product that came from a farm, so we had to do a lot of extensive testing, and I was very, very persistent and wanted to make sure it was going to be USDA certified organic, which in itself is a lot of different tests required. So it's a robust program. It's not easy to get through. It's definitely a quality focused product, right? Another one is a factor for our fish oil product. Sourcing. Sourcing is huge. We source from ethically, sustainably sourced anchovy. It's cold water, cold deep water, so that we know that the product is low in mercury, it's low in PCBs, it's hopefully lower even in microplastics, right? We're hearing that a lot now too. Multivitamins. So that's one way to look at quality, right? Identity, potency, purity, manufacturing process. The second way is the selection of ingredients that go into the product. Like, are they bioavailable? Can the body use them? Here's an example of the multivitamin for women. For the folate, right? Folate's in here. We chose the highest quality folate version. It's a methylated folate. Instead of using actually natural folate, it's not nearly as bioavailable as the methylated form of folate. So that's an example. The B12 is methylcobalamin, so it's methylated. It's another example of trying to choose and focus on quality because it's bioavailable. We know that the body is actually going to be able to use it. And those are I think those are some solid examples. Here's another one. We've got the protein. It's fermented pea. We went the fermentation process because it reduces all the bad characteristics of a plant-based protein. It enhances the dry weight, so you get more per scoop, more protein per scoop. It gets rid of the phytic acid, which is an anti-nutrient. So the fermentation, so again, it's kind of looking through, it's sourcing, it's testing, and then it's evidence-based stuff that we know works for the body and that the body needs.